Square Cash App is a mobile app for money transfer that users can download to their smartphone, tablet, or computer. The app allows for lightning-speed transactions, which helps its users pay people and get paid fast and efficiently. There are many ways in which you can use the Square Cash App. If you provide Square as a payment gateway for your sales channels, you might wonder how to analyze data from all sources in one place and get actionable insights about your products and customers to boost revenue growth. In this article, we'll explore some of the features available on the app and how you can benefit from them. What is Square Cash App? Square Cash, also known simply as Cash App, is a mobile app that allows users to send and receive money. This app is a versatile and user-friendly mobile payment platform available on both Android and iOS, with the help of which users can send money from their bank account or debit card account. Key features of Cash App. Square Cash App offers a wide range of features designed to make financial transactions quick, secure, and convenient. With its intuitive interface and robust capabilities, Cash App has gained popularity among individuals and businesses alike. Let's explore some of the notable features that make Cash App stand out in the digital payment landscape. Cash App P2P payments. Cash App enables seamless person-to-person payments, allowing users to send and receive money from their accounts quickly. Whether you're splitting a bill with friends, paying back a family member, or contributing to a group gift, Cash App makes it effortless to transfer funds between individuals. Note: Square Cash App helps users instantly send and receive money. If you're sending money to someone who has an account with Square, expect it to be available in their account within seconds. If your peer doesn't have an account with Square, expect it to take about 1 to 3 business days for the money to go through. Cash Card. The Cash Card is a customizable Visa debit card that is linked to your Cash App account. It enables users to make purchases at millions of retail locations and withdraw cash from ATMs. With the Cash Card, you can access your funds instantly and conveniently manage your finances both online and offline. Cash App Direct Deposit. Cash App provides the option to set up direct deposit, allowing you to receive your paychecks, government benefits, and other regular payments directly into your Cash App account. This feature eliminates the need for traditional banking services like opening payroll accounts or savings accounts, or applying for credit cards, making Cash App an all-in-one financial solution. Investing with Cash App. Cash App offers a simple and accessible investing platform, offering users the services to buy and sell stocks. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, Cash App provides a user-friendly interface and real-time market data to help you make informed investment decisions. Cash App Bitcoin. Additionally, Cash App provides a convenient way to buy, sell, and store Bitcoin. It allows users to invest in cryptocurrency without the need for a separate exchange account. With Cash App Bitcoin, you can monitor your investment's performance and manage your digital assets seamlessly. Cash App Boosts. Cash App also introduced Boosts, which are exclusive cashback rewards for using your Cash Card at select merchants. These boosts can help you save money on everyday purchases, such as groceries, restaurants, and even popular streaming services. Cash App for Business. Cash App recognizes the needs of small businesses and entrepreneurs, offering a separate set of features and services tailored for business transactions. With Cash App for Business, you can accept payments from customers, manage inventory, generate invoices, and track your business finances easily. Cash App Security Features. Cash App's priority is the security of its users' financial information. The app incorporates multiple layers of security, including encryption, biometric authentication, and optional additional security measures such as passcodes and two-factor authentication. Cash App also provides the ability to instantly disable your Cash Card if it's misplaced or lost. Other features of Square Cash App. Besides allowing for instant money transfers and a possibility to invest your money into stocks and crypto, Cash App also has some extra benefits for its users. Cash App's Alerts. If you enable app alerts, you'll receive a notification when someone sends you money. Cash App's Recent Activity Reports. Square Cash App gives you activity reports in the app. You'll be able to see the money you sent or received, the person who sent that money, and when they sent it. Cash App's Search function. If you're looking for a particular transaction, you can search for it by entering the person's name or amount. With its user-friendly interface, versatile features, and commitment to security, Cash App has become a popular choice for individuals and businesses seeking a seamless and reliable mobile payment solution. Whether you need to split expenses, invest in stocks or Bitcoin, or manage your business finances, Cash App offers a comprehensive suite of features to meet your needs and simplify your financial transactions. Want to know more? Read our article about Square Cash App and how to link it for additional information. How does Cash App work? Sending and receiving money in Square Cash App. So how does Cash App work? If you want to send money from your bank account or debit card, you'll need to log in to your Square Cash account and click the Cash tab at the top of the screen. You'll be directed to the Send Cash screen, where you can enter the amount you want to send. Then you can enter your friend or family members to and from addresses. You can also press the Add a Memo button to add a message regarding the transaction. Once you've clicked Next, you'll be prompted to select your payment method. Depending on where you want to withdraw your money to send, you can choose a bank account, a debit card, etc. as your payment method. You can decide which account you want to use when you send money. If you want to receive money, you can click the Cash tab at the top of the screen and select Receive Cash. Then, enter the amount you want to receive and press Next. You can then select your payment method and optionally add a message. Next, you will need to confirm your details and confirm the transaction. You may cancel the transaction at this point if you entered the wrong amount. Paying a business using Square Cash App. If you want to use Square Cash to pay a business, navigate to the Cash tab, click Pay a Business, and select the business from the list. You can enter the amount you want to pay and click Next. You'll be asked to enter your payment information and then click Next again. If you want to send a tip, you can click Add a Tip to add it to the total amount you want to pay. Note that Square Cash charges a 3% fee for this service. Square Cash App fees. Square Cash App offers a range of services with transparent and competitive fee structures. Here are some details regarding the fees associated with different features of the Cash App. Sending and receiving money. Cash App allows users to send money to friends, family, or other contacts without any fees. However, if you choose to send money using a linked credit card instead of your Cash App balance or bank account, a 3% fee may apply. Cash App Card. Ordering and activating a Cash App card is free of charge. Cash App card transactions at retail locations or online are generally fee-free. However, some merchants may impose their own charges or surcharges. ATM withdrawals. When using the Cash App card at an ATM, Cash App may charge a $2.05 fee per withdrawal. There may also be additional fees if you use an out-of-network ATM. Cash App Bitcoin fee. You may be charged a fee for buying and selling Bitcoin on Cash App. Cash App applies a Bitcoin spread, which is the difference between the market price of Bitcoin and the price quoted in the app. The spread can vary and is disclosed at the time of the transaction. Instant deposits. Cash App allows you to access your funds instantly with instant deposits. If you choose to use this feature, a fee of 0.5%, 1.75%, a minimum of $0.25 applies to the deposited amount. However, standard deposit options are available without any fees and typically take 1 to 3 business days to complete. Cash App for business fee. Cash App offers a separate set of features for businesses, such as the ability to accept payments and generate invoices. The fee structure for Cash App for business varies depending on the type of transaction and business needs. It is recommended to review the Cash App for business terms and conditions for specific fee details. It's important to note that fees and policies may change over time, so it's a good practice to review the most up-to-date information provided by Cash App. The app itself typically provides clear visibility into any applicable fees before confirming a transaction, ensuring transparency for users. Remember to stay informed about the fee structure and review the terms and conditions to fully understand any charges associated with the specific features you plan to use on the Square Cash App. Pros and cons of Square Cash App. Square Cash App offers a range of advantages that have contributed to its popularity. The app provides a user-friendly interface, making it easy for individuals to navigate and utilize its features. P2P payments are quick and convenient, allowing users to send money to friends and family easily. The integration of the Cash Card provides users with a physical debit card, enabling purchases at retail stores and ATMs. Cash App also offers direct deposit and banking services, investing opportunities, and tailored features for small businesses. Additionally, the app prioritizes security with encryption and biometric authentication. However, you might want to keep in mind some considerations. Cash App's customer support options can be limited, which may be frustrating for users seeking immediate assistance. Users have once-in-a-while reported temporary transaction holds and security concerns. Also, Cash App may apply fees for certain services such as instant deposits and credit card transactions. And its international functionality is limited compared to some other platforms, and it relies heavily on mobile devices, which may not be preferable for everyone. When evaluating whether to use Cash App, individuals should weigh these pros and cons against their specific needs and preferences to make an informed decision. Is Square Cash App worth it? Overall, Square Cash App has emerged as a versatile and user-friendly mobile payment platform that offers a range of features to simplify financial transactions. Whether it's sending money to friends, managing personal finances, investing in stocks or Bitcoin, or running a small business, Cash App provides a comprehensive suite of tools to meet diverse needs. With transparent fee structures, intuitive interfaces, and robust security measures, Cash App has gained popularity as a convenient and reliable digital payment solution. As the world continues to embrace the digital economy, Square Cash App stands at the forefront, empowering individuals and businesses to manage their finances with ease and confidence.